I'm Jen Yang, and you're watching BCA Insider. Hi, I'm Jen Yang, and I'm from the Regulation and Process Transformation Department under the Electrical and Mechanical Engineering Group in BCA. Tell us more about what you do at work and BCA's role in ensuring lift and escalator safety. So Singapore has about 75,000 lifts and 7,000 escalators today, and BCA's role is to conduct audit checks as part of our enforcement regime to ensure that all of these are in good operating condition and are safe for public use. My job as an engineer is to go down to lifts and escalators and amusement rides and conduct checks on the safety and operating systems to ensure that proper maintenance has been done. On top of that, my department also handles public feedback, and we develop policies to enhance the safety and ensure proper maintenance of lifts and escalators. We also introduce new technology to improve the lift and escalators industry. Why is lift and escalator safety important? Good question. Last year, about 97% of all escalator incident reports received by BCA were due to user behavior. And for lifts also, we see many cases that also stem from user behavior, such as when passengers put their hands in lift door gaps. So while all of these cases are unfortunate, they are avoidable because most incidents stem from how we use lift and escalators. So it's important that everyone is careful and aware of lift and escalator safety. What are the most common escalator incidents that BCA engineers respond to? For incidents, we see a lot of children's shoes and articles of clothing getting stuck in escalators. We see a lot of passengers falling off because they are rushing onto or off escalators. And we also see a lot of elderly falling down because they bring bulky items up or they are not holding the handrail. One of the recent incidents that I'm reminded of is when this kid's shoe got stuck between the escalator floor plate and the steps. And luckily for this incident, the escalator's safety switches got activated and they stopped the escalator before further harm could come to the child. But you see, cases like this can be avoided if you pay attention when you and your child step on and off escalators. How does BCA manage these incidents? Typically, when we respond to an incident report, BCA's engineers will arrive on site, check the CCTV footage, conduct checks on the equipment's components and their operation, and then interview people at the site to get an account of the incident. From there, we try and determine if there's a safety concern with the equipment. If there's a safety issue, then operation of the equipment will have to cease until investigations have been concluded and the safety issue rectified. We spread the word on lift and escalator safety through our posters we place at malls and at lifts, and we also have events, such as a recent pop-up we did, focusing on teaching children how to use escalators safely. How is the lift and escalator industry tapping on advanced technology for better productivity? So one of the main technologies we are pushing for is remote monitoring and diagnostics. This can help lift contractors spot lift faults and reliability issues faster, and therefore it will increase their productivity and also reduce the repair times for the lift. Attaching sensors to lifts also gives us the ability to do predictive maintenance because we get real-time data and we are able to spot lift faults before they even occur. For developers and contractors, we are encouraging them to digitalize their records. This will help increase their productivity and reduce future downstream non-compliance. Now, as lifts age, we also get this issue of wear and tear, and maintenance becomes more difficult. So BCA has initiatives such as the Maintenance Control Plan, where we work with owners and contractors to help them with maintenance, parts replacement, and modernization of their lift components. How can users play a part in ensuring lift and escalator safety? Well, users can observe the following do's and don'ts for using lifts. First, don't panic if a lift ever stalls. Just press the lift alarm button and wait calmly for rescue. Second, always supervise young children. Third, never use any body parts to prevent lift doors from closing. And last, be mindful of the lift doors, as small objects such as back straps can get caught within the gaps. Users taking escalators can observe the following. First, always hold on to the handrail and stand within the yellow lines on the escalator steps. Second, supervise young children on escalators at all times. Third, avoid loitering at the escalator landing areas so you do not obstruct others. Fourth, passengers who are carrying bulky items such as trolleys and luggages are encouraged to take the lifts instead. I hope you have learned more about what we do at BCA to keep the use of lifts and escalators safe in Singapore. Remember to always be safe when using them every day. Bye!